Our mission at the Rhoades Education Foundation is to create, facilitate, and advocate for educational opportunities with communities worldwide.
As a foundation, we engage in global educational programs focused on teachers with limited access to resources. One of our flagship programs is Teaching Tips for English Language Teachers.
TTELT consists of live workshops and featured weekly podcasts with expert language educators highlighting teaching tips and facilitating discussions to empower teachers within their practice.
To date, we have English language teachers from over 25 countries benefiting from our trainings.
Thank you all the TTELT community to help me to become a more independent teacher. They give me the possibility to understand my students better.
Attending a TTELT workshop, I like the informal nature. I look forward to our conversation.
I have benefited a lot from teaching tips for English language teachers, TTELT. Let me take one example that affected and benefited me in my teaching, which is using Kahoot in the informal assessment for students. It's very important. I benefited a lot from it, and my students like it.
$25 supports the production and dissemination of teacher resources. $100 supports one teacher's professional development course. And $500 supports the creation and development of podcasts, YouTube, and live workshops for English language teachers.
Did you know that English is a mandatory component of the national education policy in 142 countries?
Globally, too many teachers leave the profession because they feel unsupported. Engaged teachers who continue to learn are the key to successful learners and communities.
Your contribution empowers teachers to deliver the highest quality instruction, enabling access to higher education and career opportunities for English language learners globally. Donate now to further empower educators worldwide.
We are the Rhoades Education Foundation. We are educators worldwide.